Hi, it's Angela from Tentworld Archfield, and today we've got the Campfire 6-piece pot set. It's got a couple of interesting features, so let's take a look. So when you get the Campfire pot set, it will come in this box, and you will get 3 sizes of pots along with 3 lids that can also double as plates or fry pans. They'll also come in this mesh sack to transport them in. This set is made of durable stainless steel, so it will last you a long time. They also come with a compact nesting design, so that will save you packing space and makes it suitable for hiking or camping. The lids that come with these pots are multi-use, so they can also be folded up and used as a plate or bowl. This set isn't microwave safe, but it is safe for your dishwasher, which makes it really easy to clean. These are really easy to pack up, so you'll stack the medium pot into the larger one, then the smaller one. And then you'll fold in the handles on these lids and start with the smallest lid and continue to just stack them together. And then these will all fit easily into your mesh bag. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you've got any questions, come visit us in store or online. Happy camping.